Well, you might be wondering what I'm doing.
Is he gonna dance tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna dance, but anyway, I'm gonna be opening up blind bags. Now, what am I doing? Oh wait, I need to see. Anyway, so these are Daring Dragons. These are some Disney enamel pins. I am after this Maleficent over here. Anyway, next box. And just right off the bat, I got a Maleficent. And on the next bag. Okay, no dupes yet. And we have Elliot from Pete's Dragon. Okay. So this is what we have so far. Elliot, Maleficent, Mushu, and Fred.